So these are the coffee beans here, all beautifully roasted. Yeah, you can tell it's definitely a blend, even out of the bag. That's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, these are still really hot, but they look really good. Nice and oily. So as you can see here, these beans are a lot different than the other ones. And it's mainly because they're the decaf. The decaf always comes out, well, you can't really see it in the video here, but it's they look dry. In the camera they look a little bit shinier than they really are, but they have like this really matte finish to them. And it's because of the decaf. But yeah, that's the what was it again? The decaf donkey blend. So I'm gonna get these cooled down, and then I'm gonna start putting them in some sealed containers. Yep. And here goes the next one. All right, so here's the This is a wet process coffee, and it basically acted like all wet process coffees in the fresh roast roaster. It likes to kind of sit, so you got to give it more fan. Make sure you give it more fan. But these guys here, they came out pretty good looking. They're definitely not that satin matte color that was on the decaf before. I'll show you guys real quick. Never mind, that's too hot. That thing is really hot. Anyway, yeah, so this is just how I'm gonna cool them for now, and gonna get the other roast in there real quick. This was a Guatemalan, and they came out really nice. They didn't come out as oily as the other ones, or shiny, but for the most part, this is a very even roast here, and I'm quite happy with it. So let's move on to the next bean. Here's the monkey blend by SweetMarias. There it is. This right here is that monkey blend, and it turned out very nice. As you can see there, not really glossy. It looks a lot glossier in the camera than it actually is. Well, these beans here, they're all very different, and you can tell that by the roast. I'm running the same roast cycle on some of these, and they all reach first crack at different times, and some earlier than others, others later than others, and some reach second crack while others don't. This is one of them that didn't reach second crack, which is probably why they're not so oily. But they definitely look real tasty, and we'll verify later, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. And these are definitely much shinier than the previous roast. I believe the previous one was the monkey blend. And yeah, these came out really good. I think they hit just before second crack. I took them off. Boy, that's when the roast finished. So yeah, real good looking here. Pretty even for the most part. But yeah, guys, we're gonna move on to the espresso portion now. We're gonna start brewing some coffee.